Hello, Mr. Beardsley. For my independent project, I will be making chicken with a rice cake breading. To make this meal, you will need chicken, eggs, rice cakes, preferably unflavored, but all I had was butter. The spices of your choice. I chose chili powder, paprika, and garlic salt. Your first step will be to defrost your chicken. Your chicken is defrosting. You may now start making the breading. For the breading, you will need your spices of choice and rice cakes. First step of the breading is to take 3 rice cakes and split them up and put them in a bowl. You would like to crush them in small pieces, and then eventually you will ground them up till they are a breading. This is what the rice cake should look like once you break them up and put them in the bowl. Now you should take your instrument of choice and break up the rice cakes and grind them to a fine powder. Once you are done grinding up your rice cakes, this is what they should look like. Now you can mix your seasoning and your rice cakes. Now you can add a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of chili powder, and a tablespoon of garlic salt. Now you should crack 3 eggs into a bowl. And now, whisk. This is how your eggs should look once you are finished. Now that your chicken is defrosted, you should take it out and cut it into small slices. Now, take your chicken and place it in the eggs and make sure that it gets covered. Then, place it in the breadcrumbs, in the rice cakes. And then place on a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now, set your oven to bake for 400 for 15 minutes. While you are waiting for your chicken to cook, you can read a book, contemplate life, complete unfinished assignments for Mr. Beardsley. You have 15 minutes to do whatever you need. This part is optional, but now I will make the sauce. The sauce consists of 3 tablespoons of maple syrup and 2 spoons of chili powder. Pardon my error, 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Also, if the sauce is too thick, you can add a small bit of water to make the consistency more liquid. Once the timer has gone off, you may now take your chicken out of the oven to check if it is cooked the full way through. If your chicken is cooked the full way through, you may now place them on a plate and apply your sauce. To complement my chicken, I will be eating it with creamy dill pickle salad kit from Taylor Farms. And here is the final product.